Hello, today we will guide you through how to export a PDF with high-resolution images in PowerPoint. To begin, open the PowerPoint app and make sure the presentation you want to export is ready. This process is helpful when you need your PDF to preserve image quality as much as possible, especially for presentations that include photos, graphics, or visual-heavy slides. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This will open the main menu where you can access presentation settings and export options. From there, look toward the bottom left area and click Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window where you can adjust application settings that affect how your file handles images. In the Options window, click Advanced. This section contains more detailed settings, including image size and quality controls. Scroll down until you find the image-related settings, then click the checkbox for Do Not Compress Images. Turning this on helps prevent PowerPoint from reducing the quality of images inside your presentation, which is an important step before creating the PDF. After selecting that checkbox, click OK to save the change. This confirms the setting and brings you back to your presentation. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a noticeable difference in the final exported file, particularly if your slides contain detailed visuals or screenshots. Next, go back to the top left corner and click File again. This time you'll be using the Export tools. In the File menu, click Export. The Export section gives you different ways to save or convert your presentation. Now click Create PDF. This tells PowerPoint that you want to generate a PDF version of the presentation rather than saving it in the standard PowerPoint format. Creating the file this way is ideal when you want something easy to share, print, or view on other devices while keeping the layout consistent. At this point, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the export. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, you may be asked where to save the file, what to name it, and possibly which PDF settings you want to use. Take a moment to review those options before finishing. Once the export is complete, it's a good idea to open the PDF and quickly check a few slides to make sure the images look clear and sharp. And that's it. You've successfully exported a PDF with high-resolution images in PowerPoint.